Right, this is Novo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Royal AM 1. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, my brother. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, man. How do you feel about the game tonight?
I think Mamki's Mela Ita talent.
Which one?
Bungus. I know Bungus.
A Pinto, which one?
I know Bungus.
Yeah, A Pinto, which one? It seems like how yours now, eh? Uti Magaita talent, which one is it? Okay, but okay, I see Kale now. How do you feel about the game? I'm not feeling How do you feel about the game tonight?
I'm feel good. Everything was good. But Sundowns, I don't see taking the league. I don't see nothing.
Why do you think that's the case?
They're playing. It's not good. It's not good. Yes. They need Rulani to fix some of things.
Yeah, but Rulani is gone. He's with Wydad. Yes. He's moved on.
They're going to struggle.
Yeah, but they've won 2-1 tonight and they're number 1. So I think you need to give them, to cut them a slack.
Yes.
Give them a chance. Maybe they're gonna surprise you.
Me, I'm supporting the Chiefs.
Oh, that's why. That's why. So okay. So on Saturday, do you think you're gonna beat SuperSport?
SuperSport, last game, yes. Maybe this time 2-0 or 1. Yeah,
not 4.
It's good.
It's good. It's good. Thank you very much, my brother. All the best on the weekend.